Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Curly Intuitionz, Curly Kidz mini tutorial. We'll be doing a updo mohawk style on my baby girl Desi's hair. She's been rocking her SisterLocks for approximately 2 years now. We started them when she was 5 years old. I love her locks. She loves them. It's definitely an easy style to keep up. And with the SisterLock grid, it makes styling easy peasy. You definitely have those straight parts. So as you see in this section, I just basically made a straight line straight across the bottom of her hair, and we're going to do braids on both sides of her hair going up. With SisterLocks, or for parents that are even considering locking their kids' hair with SisterLocks, I love it because they can get up and go. They always will have a style, and another good thing about it is they can grow into them. So for a lot of parents, they always ask, well, what do we do about the extra hair around the edges? We just basically add new locks in that section. So as their hair is growing, we'll be adding locks into Desiree's hair because of course she's going to get older and that head is going to get bigger. But I love that because you never ever have to worry about any type of braid styles, any type of pulling, nagging, especially for those parents that have a busy schedule. Your child will always definitely have a style. Another good thing about SisterLocks, I know with our busy schedule, my daughter, she does dance, cheerleading, even for your child who does basketball, soccer, it's definitely a style that's worth upkeep because right after practice or anything like that, she always has a style, wash and go. Like, it's just a quick, easy style for the everyday activities of kids. Of course, they're always running, playing around, hair always getting frizzy, but with your SisterLocks, you have a style for life. So you never ever have to worry about them day-to-day struggles of trying to figure out what to do with their hair. For her barrel curls, we use the tuck and roll method with a couple pins just to hold it in down the center. And this is the final result. She is feeling and loving her style. Look at that smile.
Hi guys, my name is Desiree. Follow my mom and aunt on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. They got good hair products for your hair. And they got good videos on Curly Intuitionz. Bye.